In today's lesson, we will study key concepts of object-oriented programming, in which the first concept is inheritance. The other concepts are about encapsulation, abstraction, and polymorphism. Introduction about these we have studied in a previous lesson. We will further do the implementations. Our first key concept is inheritance. Basically, inheritance allows us to define a class that inherits all the methods and properties from other class. In it, another class is defined and includes all functionalities and methods of that class. We will utilize both classes together. There are two terms in this. One is parent class, from which the class is inherited. It is also called the base class. Second is child class, that is inherited from another class. Means there is class A and we derived another class B from it. Then class B will be child class and class A will be called parent class. If you see the implementation, I have simply defined a class with the name of person. Have called init constructor call defined a function. When I created its object, then in constructor call have Imran Tahir, which I have printed. It is a simple class and has shown the output of this class. If I want to inherit this class in another class, for that I defined another class with the name of student. I have to inherit from parent class. I did not pass any arguments, didn't define any data functions. Just want to check whether the class is inherited properly or not. The object which I have created is not of person, it is of student, that is child class or parent class. Child class is student and parent or base class is person. When I ran this, it gave error, name person is not defined. Now it has shown the correct output. We created object of child class, but the function is called of parent class print name. So from here we understood that when derived class is created, it includes all functionalities of parent class. This is the basic example we have of inheritance. Further, we will see if we want to add different members. Here we will write another program. We will pass its name in object and will print in this. It has shown correct output. What is our program doing? In this base class, our f name, whatever was initialized, it has overlapped with init method. Whatever arguments we passed in function in constructor call Imran, we access the base class with name of base class. The first data member was given the value of x, and in student class y variable, we assigned a value and printed out. We came to know from derived class, we changed person class values.